Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we will see how we can use the God chart. Let's get started. First, I will go in my visualization pane and I will select Gauge. Now here, we have the data of our projects and we have the progress. So what we will do is in the values, I will drag progress and here I will make it average. So now the average completion of my project is appearing as 0.74. We also need to add minimum, maximum and target value. We can also do that here or we can go to format your visual and in the gauge axis, let's say minimum will be 0, maximum is 1 and we can set up a target value for example 0 0.9. Now you can also change the colors. Let's say we can use the fill color as yellow and target color as green. The data labels, we can change the data label if you want it to be highlighted. If you don't want data labels, you can remove that also. Let's just remove them. In the target label, also you can further modify it how you want to look. Maybe we can make it green. In the call out value also, this is your call out value 0.74. You can have a custom value if you want from any of your, or you can have something in as a year. You can add that here, but I'll remove that. And you can also change it on how you want to look. Now this is how you can create one. In the generals, we can change the title if you want. You can change the properties in the title. Let's just bring it in the center. And now we have our chord chart here. This is how easily you can create it and you can use it for your sales performance, your website traffic, or your average project completion. I hope this helped. Thank you for watching and keep watching for more. Bye bye.